Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use Magnifier on your HP ProBook 450G2 laptop. So in order to enable the magnifier feature, you'll have to use a combination of keys of a Windows key combined with plus key. So Windows plus, just press them at the same time, and this will enable a magnifier. By default, it's a full screen magnifier, so right here, pressing plus and minus, we can zoom in and out respectively. We can also read the text from the screen by pressing this button.
Learn about this picture.
And right now it read the text from this from this icon, but we can click on this button to read whatever we want this program to read. So for example, if I click here,
Microsoft Edge.
yeah, it reads the name of the browser. Now in settings right here, you can change the speed of your magnifier. Let me show it to you. So let's select a fast speed or a slow one. So this will basically increase or decrease the movement on the screen. Now you can also select a voice for reading text, and if you want to see more settings for your magnifier, you'll have to go to the start menu, and then go to the settings, then select ease of access right here, and then select magnifier on the list on the left side. Right here you can turn on magnifier or turn it off. You can also change the zoom level. You can change the zoom increments. You can select to start magnifier after or before you sign in. Now you can also decide if you want the program to smooth edges of images and text. I think you rather want this checkbox to be checked. You can also decide. You can also check to invert colors. Now here you can change the magnifier view. What it means is that we can either have a full screen magnifier, a docked magnifier, so it displays at the top of the screen. Let me show it to you. So we basically just use our cursor to move, and magnifier will show us what we're looking at the top of our screen. And we can also use the lens magnifier, which will be just a lens attached to our cursor, which will magnify every part of the screen that we're rolling over. Let's close it for now, and let me also show you the additional settings for full screen and docked magnifier. Basically, you can make it follow your mouse pointer, keyboard for focus, text cursor, narrator cursor. You can keep your mouse pointer within the edges of the screen, like we have right now, or we can choose to center the pointer of the screen on the center of the screen, so it will always be like this. So the pointer won't move, it will stay most of the time at the center of our screen, and the screen will move where we drag our pointer to. You can also choose a modifier key, and that's all of the settings you got for full screen and docked magnifier. But for lens, you can only change the size of the lens, basically. So reshape it however you want, and start using it if you want. And that's basically all the settings I wanted to show you. And right now you know how to use Magnifier, Windows Plus again. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.